So here we have an unboxing of first thoughts on the Southern Straps Apple Watch bands. Now I get offered to review a lot of Apple Watch accessories, but when Matthew at Southern Straps reached out to me, I looked at the company's website and became a bit curious. One thing that separates Southern Straps from other brands is that they're handcrafted in San Francisco and actually use high quality materials. They include nice packaging and some care instructions for your nylon or leather straps. So I have an inexpensive leather band here. I wanted to see the difference between a $20 leather band and a $75 leather band. The Southern Straps leather band is made from vegetable tan, full grain Italian leather. Let's take a closer look at the fine details. Now let's take a look at the cheaper watch band side by side. Now you can definitely see the difference in the materials used. Not saying that anything's wrong with the cheaper made watch band, you just get what you pay for. Keep in mind that my pre-existing leather watch band is also brand new. I unboxed it a while back but never ended up using it. So besides quality, let's see how it actually looks. We had the Southern Straps on the left and the other option on the right. They both wear well, but in comparison, you can definitely see where the strap on the right has lacked in some of the finer details. Now keep in mind that any leather strap should not be submerged directly in water, as it can cause it to expand or shorten the life of the watch band. So next we had the traditional sport band. I wanted to see if the nylon option could replace that as a more of a casual everyday active band. And let's take a closer look at the finer details. When you do receive your nylon band, I wanted to say that it will be a bit stiff in the beginning. It needs time to be broken in, and you get that by actually wearing it. Or you can simply soften it by rubbing a bit of hair conditioner over the strap while rinsing it simultaneously. I've been wearing it for a little while now, and I noticed it softening up on its own. I really like the nylon band, way more than I expected. I actually find that I like it more than the leather band. I initially was more interested in the leather band, but now that I have it and I've been wearing it, the nylon has become my favorite. This nylon band from Southern Straps is also made from some of the best nylon that's available. So if you notice, I have the space gray casing. You may be wondering why I chose to go with the silver instead of the black or even the gold options. The black would have probably matched the watch better, but for some like myself, I just found it to be a bit too plain. The silver adds just a touch of shine that I personally prefer. The materials and packaging used are impressive. They only sell two colors in the leather, black and brown, with the option of silver, black, or gold metal attachments. The nylon collection is simple with a few solid color options along with a selection of a multicolored stripe style. If you want more information or simply want to check out the strap options, visit southernstraps.com. If this was helpful at all, please hit like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification icon to get future updates on future videos, or visit www.howtoandreviews.com. Till next time.